Hello guys, good morning from here. It belongs I posted probably is up to a week or two, I don't know. So I'm just here to just give you guys a brief explanation on Shiba I posted on my YouTube channel. So it's just a little bit of update on how it's going. And this is this is it right here. This is it right here. You can see that we have traded above 12 months high. And we already know that the next target will be this bar stop pressing above this high, and yeah, that is a massive profit for me and other people who bought this particular asset. And yeah, I've been watching Shiba since last year, um, because it's one of my favorite assets, and that is why I bought it, because it's very cheap for me to accumulate. I can accumulate in million pieces. Once it gets to, in my currency, the 1 naira, that is if I accumulate, if I bought 1 million pieces, that is up to $10. Yeah, I think so. If I accumulate 1 million pieces with $10, then once it gets to 1 naira, it's giving me 1 million naira. Like I risked just very little to get that amount if it eventually hits that 1 naira. And $10 is something everyone is able to risk. Yeah, like $10 is the minimum deposit if you want to trade. So yeah, let me explain again. This right here is a daily range highs and lows. We have another structure formed right here, but it did not break the structure, and then we saw an internal structure being formed, and that was where we have it at the 50% equilibrium of the high and the low right here, and it tapped into a demand zone. That was where I was buying, and then we traded higher. Also looking from our higher time frame, based on the type of trader I am, swing trading, position trading, and the long-term financial analyst, we already seen that 2023 took out previous year low, that was 2022 low. 2023 opened, the first thing it did was trade lower, and that was what was it called, the monthly time frame. That was on January, is it? Yeah, that was in January that we traded lower right here. So January gave us the low of this year, probably. That's what I'm expecting to see, and we continue going higher. I explained that there is no inefficiency in which the price will reject from, because all efficiency has been balanced, and the last one that was balanced was actually this one right here. Because balanced price per lower did not break structure. What it did was a liquidity grab. We have sellers right here, so we have the sell side liquidity pool right there, right? So it's like please sell side liquidity pool. That is retail traders having their sell orders below the area of support, and yeah. So when the sell side liquidity pool is right here, it means that if you haven't watched my previous video on what does your stop loss mean, you should go and watch it so that you can easily understand what I'm trying to explain right here. You having a stop loss right here means that you having a sell order, which tells that is you telling the broker that if price goes below the price level at which you're buying it, it should help you sell it. Alright, and while you're selling it, you're selling it in loss because you're having a drawdown. So that is what your stop loss means. Now imagine you have the sell orders right here. The algorithm is wanting to go and buy those sell orders. Remember, the algorithm in the market is an instruction given. The instruction that it is giving is that it should go and buy from who is selling, it should go and sell from who is buying. The law of supply and demand states that wherever there is a seller, there should be a buyer, and whenever there is a buyer, there should be a seller. So currently right here, the stop loss right here indicates that there is tons of sellers right here, and it is at a cheaper rates, those who wants to sell at a cheaper rates, right? So that means demand will be attracted to it. The instruction will attract, the algorithm will go and buy those order at a very cheaper rate. It bought it, and what would it want to deliver it? It will want to deliver it to an area where it will want to sell off, and that is this high right here. So if you press the high, I want to see it continue going higher for the rest of 1 year, for the whole of the year, alright, possibly. Okay, so we need to see a new all-time high on Shiba. So yeah, you can go and watch the video how I do the breakdown analysis on this particular asset. And yeah, see you guys later on, and be safe. Take care.